take photos, you must take your photo without a flash. So it's a way of protecting for our next generation. So
we're now on our way back from the White Lady wall paintings. We walked there in about an hour, spent some time here, now we're heading back. It's quite a rocky road to go, but it's beautiful and it's very nice to go along. And then we were with our guide, which you will have seen in some of the videos before, I guess. And he explained us everything about the painting, and as we mentioned before, it's called the White Lady. Because on the rock painting, which they found in 1917 by accident when they were coming back from the highest point, which is behind us, which is the King's Stone, they actually slept in a cave because they were so tired, and then the next morning when they woke up, they saw the paintings. And then over time, they thought that the painting in the middle of a white person was female. And then many years later, I think it was in 55, they figure out that it actually was a shaman, maybe also known as like a witch doctor or a medicine man. But because everybody knows it as the White Lady, they kept the name, which is kind of a nice little background story to the site. So definitely, recommend coming here. You will always go up with a guide, and they're very experienced and they can tell you everything about it. And it's a beautiful hike, so it's definitely worth a visit.